Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and in that video, guys, we're going to analyze for you the Bitcoin here in the daily. So for long-term trading, you need to stick only with the daily time frames. For swing trading, we're going to analyze for you here the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, what it's doing today. Plus, we're going to go to 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So stay tuned and watch all the video from the start till the end. Plus we got some for you some news, guys. So let's start it. As you see, guys, here that the daily candle here, what it's showing to us, it gives us here like a small pin bar here. But what I told you we're going to stay sideways here, and that's what it's showing exactly till now. There is no big move either up or either down. And also here in Friday video, what else we tell you? We got two levels, and that where is the options, spots and calls for the options. They are first level here at 17,500 and down here at 16,500, and that the view for big wells, guys. The Bitcoin is going to stay between the two levels here as you see them. So for scalpers and day traders, very good opportunity. Also enter from here to here and from here to here. So all the week that's what we're going to do. So make sure to watch all the videos, guys, for the next week. And by the way, if you are not subscriber, guys, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, guys, every day putting for you two videos, one after European market close and one after the daily candle close. And if you are a subscriber, make sure to smash that like button and write down a comment, support us, guys. So I think everything is too clear here. So here what as we said before, guys, we got here that for long-term investment, we got here that inside bar, that one. Till now there is nothing breaking. That inside bar is that one, as you see, that one and that one. The FTX collapsed when FTX fell down till 15k, then we go back up till here. That's what the market is showing, guys. It's showing us we still sideways here, and there is no candle breaking either up here or down here. If it's breaking up here, that is a big signal the Bitcoin is going to reverse, and that one is the bottom. And if it's breaking down here, that's a big signal the Bitcoin will go to that 10k that majority of people are dreaming of. So for long-term trading, my advice to you, just this and forget about all that. Once a week, once a month, start buying Bitcoin slowly by slowly, and store it in a hard wallet. That the best option for you for not to be scammed or steal from a thief online. Always store your Bitcoin in a hard wallet and try to secure your 24 keywords, because if you're using a hard wallet, they give you 24. If you're using a cold wallet, they give you 12 keywords. Secure it and make a backup for it. Not only in one place, make second one and try to encrypt it. There is a lot of videos online that show you how to encrypt a document and those things, and try to keep it in a safe place. Always leave a backup for it. That is going to be the best scenario, and don't trust in the exchanges. The exchanges, just use them for one thing, to buy and to sell. That's it. Don't leave money in any exchange, because exchanges those days, you can't trust in no one of them, and you don't know what's going to happen to any one of them. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. 4 hours also we enter short from here, from that candle here, because we used to have here a up channel like that. When it's getting broke here, we enter. Then the Bitcoin it fell down the first one here. I told you to sell what is equal your investment. That means if you enter $100 from here, over here you sell what it equal your $100, or you close what it equal your $100. It fell down here. I told you take some of the profit. That's when you take 50% of what it left here. And by the way, that money management I'm talking about, is it very well explained in our crypto investing course. The course is it in the first comment. If you want, it will not cost you that much. If you're using the coupon link down, going to get a discount of 85%. And believe me, that course is better than million of courses online. And the course is not expensive. It's only 13 bucks. It's the price of a cup of coffee. But it's up to you, my friend. And here, guys, what I told you we got here a head and shoulder like that, as you see it. And I told you if it came and break in here, the neckline here, we are going to close all the short position we left over, because also we're selling only 50% of our profit here. So now here, either it's going to break higher here, that level here, or from here it's going to fall down again. I think everything is too clear, and I showed you yesterday, I told you some people they put in a diamond like that. The diamond now is being broken here. That's why me I told you we are not focused about the diamond here, because some people they put in a diamond like that. They're telling you it's a diamond, and that one is a bullish signal, blah 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 blah. Now it's being broken down. So that's why I told you we are focused here only about that head and shoulder here, because a head and shoulder is more powerful pattern than a diamond as you see it. Now we need the break to happen here, guys. Here. If it happen a break here and breaking here, also we're going to enter long. Till now there is no break, guys. As I showed you before, if you remember, also we used to have here a head and shoulder here like that as you see it, but it doesn't break in for us the neckline, which was here. It came just to it here, then it show going back upward. That's when I told you there is not yet, guys. It's need to break down the neckline. It doesn't break it. Same thing now here. It doesn't break up. That's when I told you there is no entry long yet. We need to wait in the break to happen. And Saturday and Sunday, you know what, there is no big volume, guys. And today after the daily candle finished, we're going to come to you to analyze for you even the weekly chart. So make sure to watch all our videos, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Here now is going to see our other indicators, guys, what the same for picture to be more clear to you. So let's go in there, guys. That one here, guys, as you see it, when it came here, we're taking some of the profit. Here, we're taking some of the profit. Now it came here, and I told you yesterday, now here, that the good news. No bulls, no bears, they are winning now. Both of them, they are equal. So also we're still waiting what's going to happen. Either it's going to break down here, or either it's going to break upward here. Also we're still waiting, guys, and I give you all the scenarios. If it's breaking down, also we are not going to enter any short, because us already we have a short position. We enter it from here. If it's breaking upward here, we're going to close all the profit from that short position, and we're going to open a long position again. That's the view, guys. So till now the Bitcoin, it's still very flat. Nothing new, guys. That's why I told you it's not yet. You need to wait in a little bit till the right moment came, and I'll show you the analysis for all the week. The Bitcoin is going to stay sideways, not here in the 4 hours. I'm talking about the daily. 4 hours is going to move a little bit. I think everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, as you see it, when we used to be here at the overbought area, we used to have here a price action, and we used to be in a very stronger supply and demand zone. When it's breaking here, also we enter short, we take in here some of the profit. Now the leftover of the profit, if it fall down more, also we're going to get free money. If it close here, also we are not going to lose nothing, and actually we're going to make some profit. That's why I told you, guys. Now what we got here, we are here at the oversold area level. We are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, as you see it. Price action we got here, a head and shoulder, as I show it to you. Now we are waiting the break to happen in the neckline. If it happen, also we are going to enter long. If it doesn't, also we are not going to enter, and we're still waiting, guys, what's going to happen in the coming days. That's what me have been telling you. And for long term, I told you, got here that level here, that one you need to make a close eye at it. As you see it, it came to it, and here it show like a very stronger resistance. Now either we are going to go back here, or we are going to come back and we break here. That one is going to be the best scenario, guys. Or another scenario, we are going to fall down and we break in here. And if we break in that last low here, that 100%, guys, we are going to go to that 10K. Majority of those people, they dreaming of. So you need to make a close eye out all those things I'm telling you. Now let me show you the news, guys. That one is a very major news about the Ethereum, or people that trade in Ethereum. So let's go in there. The Ethereum, guys, you know that crypto exchange Paxful, they listed the Ethereum from the exchange, and they said the Ethereum is not decentralized, and he went on the stress that it's controlled by a small group of people. They said the Ethereum it's being controlled by a small group of people and warrant users that one day they will need permission to use it. You know what that's meant or no? Is 100% right. When Bitcoin it's moved from proof of work to proof of stake, all that it changed, guys, and that's why Paxful they listed, because that the owner or the CEO of Paxful is a very well-known crypto investor for long term, and that one when he talking he say things will make sense. And now as you see it, guys, what's happening till now, so you need to make a close eye at those things. So Ethereum is in a very big problem till now. So you need to make a close eye at it. I think everything is too clear, guys. Here now it's going to charge a minute to see if the Bitcoin there is any scalping opportunity for today. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in chart a minute. Here in chart a minute, as you see it, pause. We said here, we got here a pattern. When it's being broken here, we said we need to enter long. It came here. I told you protect yourself. Until now it's showing here a sideways market. And in the last video, watch me. I told you we came here. We connecting those dots like that. If it's being broken, we enter short. Yes, it's being broken, but the market is still flat. As you see it, that's why I told you those days there is no entry long or entry short, because even the diamond here, those people they saying diamond, even if you make a close eye at it, it's being broken up and it's being broken down as you see it. So till now, guys, we are don't have nothing yet. That's why I told you it's not yet. You need to wait in a little bit. But our indicator, let's see it what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, guys, it's been at the overbought. It came down at the oversold, but the volatility is very dry. That was me. I told you in the start of the week, don't try to open those days any scalping or day trading opportunity, because the market is very flat and there is no big volume. So try to stay away those Christmas days from the market, because the market is very dry, guys. I think everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. See you after the daily candle. Finish it, guys. Bye for now.